In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find extensions on Premiere Pro. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So I'm actually going to show you how you can find your installed extensions and how you can browse for extensions to install into your Premiere Pro. So all you need to do is go to Window and then Extensions, and right here you will find your installed extensions. So in my case, I have this one, for example, where I have like some pre-made templates to add into my clips. Now, if you want to discover new extensions, just go to Window and find extensions right here. So this will open Adobe Exchange, where you can search for a lot of Premiere extensions and you can filter them by most popular, recent, rating, and much more. So as you can see, most of them are free and you can just click any of the extensions, click right here, and this will install the extension into Premiere Pro. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.